Totally Wednesday. Ufoka Kambo, we are back with another one. Now, welcome to Moza Music Platform Live. We will react to Zion Music, Ukwabo, Two Live. Aboyonke lento le. Ongezehlangane neZion, we are here. So it's another day, day two. Ilanga lisaphumile lisasekhole. After for not being here for almost the entire week. Anyway, thank you guys for the follow. Thank you guys for, oh my god, the support. Okay, I sounded so low before, but yeah, you can hear me now. You can hear me now. Anyway, so sorry for that. So sorry for that. So namhlanje we are reacting to River of Mercy Ministry. Ya yazalwa inkosi uJesu and amen. Obvious, amen. Yazi makuthiwa ngicela njani amen. Anyway, the video is like 13 minutes long, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it. I am so sorry. I have to say this. Why does this man Lovenchebe looks like it defender like Real Madrid Rudiger? I'm just saying. Yeah, yeah. I know good the platform where we talk about God, but hey, at the end of the day, we are also human. Hey, Christian getting into Rudiger, but anyway, we're not there. It's so gancha. It's so gancha. Space guy. River is also one of those churches where whenever they singing, nah, you just want to just listen to them and just don't say anything. First thing is first. Ukude cameraman. Nah, yeah, so far, and there's so much commotion happening in the background. You can tell ukuthi ngathi mhlambe besiyaqala or bekusangena or khani ukuba kusasebusuku abantu babaseza. So you can hear there's still a lot of commotions ku-background. I wish ngabe waya laphaya in the center and hmm, hmm, hmm. I, I River. Mina, they listen. Mina River just keeps on surprising me all the time. This is a second, it's a second River video reactor Guyo, right? Yeah, it's this. Is it? Yeah, I think this is the second River song in reactor Guyo. I wanna it discipline kule bandla ne is insane. Ngisakhala nga that other one. That other one is actually my the favorite. The video that I reacted to first. That's my favorite video of all time. Like without a doubt. I don't watch a lot of Zion videos, but you just get to watch these things on and on and on. And njengoba ngishilo last week bokumshado wabo Zondo. There's still a lot of there's still a lot of churches I haven't reacted to. It's still the same thing. So you can imagine ukuthi almost the whole month to March I'll be reacting to ingoma lezi eze ezomshado. Yo, dude, you can't lie and say you don't enjoy river singing. Number one. Siqala Ibhekha yabo ne-first part yabo are always there. And what I like about them, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of I know there are people that I'm used to, but lana yabo ukuthi, okay, I've never seen that guy before. And I don't know that lady. I've never seen that lady before. But uyabona ukuthi even if let's just say i-river iyahlukana phakathi attend the labor, attend the labor, attend the labor. The sound is still gonna sound the same. The quality in their singing, irrespective of who's leading, who's doing what, it's the same. It's the same. That's what I love about River. It does not matter. In the world of dance, kune group babes ngamajabawagis. Baning and they wear masks. It does not matter where they go to perform, because Baning, the quality is the same. They have something that a lot of churches don't have, which is always sound like it's all of us, even if it's not all of us. I understand. So this is crazy, man. Damn. Nasally alto. I swear I'm gonna date this dog, bruh. Anyway, it's early. It's only 9 in the morning. It's only 9 in the morning. It's 9 o'clock. The alto afethu, i-alto river. Oh. Lona maki alto river near placing. Yo, I they know how to play around with songs. They they understand how to bring in the modern words of emergency a vibe. They know they just know. I don't know how, but they know. Ah, ministries. No man, no Nina. nina nenza kakhulu. Mina bafethu, I'm critical. I know people won't like it. Mchita lama threats needs more practice. In my career overstepping, yo. And let me tell you something. Sometimes maybe you get nervous. Sometimes you're excited. You know, it happens. Those are just attributes of being a human being at the end of the day. 13,000. Bafethu ni plan ukuya. But anyway. I know Riv. This guy is out of sync. Nokwaba madoda nkosam njengoba bashaya isifutho. Yo, njengoba ngisho, we have to be critical. Yo, mina mazayo I'm gonna come for my neck the day this video pops. Yo, anyway, I'm told him mhlambe musha bafethu, you know, kind of fika and brother Safun, I know still has to go from this to and so on. But he's gonna get there. this is smooth. No, this is smooth. Irrespective of this guy changing all the time, this is smooth. You gotta be lying. And the clean lavant on top of that. Like the white point. I just have a white. But white. No, this is fresh. This is dope. Like, this is insane. Like this is insane. Number one, the singing. The singing is still on point. Yeah, Lavang Bazu Kanang Babona Manch. This is insane. Bass Lana is on point. Like, come on. I don't even know what to say. I'm reacting. I don't even know what to say. I'm out of reaction words. All I can say is yo. I keep telling you guys. I keep telling you guys. Yazi masonto amasonto amaningi lalela amazwana amaningi are standing because of women. You can say whatever you want. You can say whatever you want. Whether you agree or you disagree, but I tell you, go to any church, in any Christian church, at any ZCC, Apostoli, Zayoni, Rawasindisiwe, IPCC, Crazy, I don't care. Go there. Women are the pillar, by the backbone of that church. You never want to love mobile sandla. They by themselves. I am yet to see ukucula nenkonzo ezoba nabo just women only, no sifutho. And there are songs women can sing. Zinengoma zazayona ezingacula without this sifutho. Many. But I am telling you, if you had to deduct women from a lot of these churches, bro. Oh, that's okay, yeah. That's why I see. That's okay, yeah. Like, women bring that atmosphere of warmth and enjoyment in the church. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, women are the pillars. As mabandleni. But you can say whatever you want to say. Are you lying? they have a name. I never really got an anything else has bacula le ngoma le khono yobhulwa. Khona bayamsefa. Noma masicala bo vele khona yosefwa la. Khona and then what? While Balaos come, they to Bangladesh. You know, so sometimes when I used to hate this stuff, man. You know, 'cause, like the unexpected just happens. Like, you know, you standing there, you minding your own business. Yeah, maybe I'm a safe word. Who's on Jack? And you and talk to Piggy. Yeah, I.
Sikhuculule bazalwane sizameni asizameni nje ama-20 ranyana kusele kancane lahlanganisa u-20 silekelela abaholi ngiyacela baholi ngiyacela bazalwane akuphuthe nje sikwameni imali yokugcina basenzele umusa abathiwa singene soyi-4 kahle kahle bengafanele singene soyi-4 asikhucululeni sikhipheni esinabo bazalwane isencane imali 13,000
Yeah. I know when they sing type of songs. Khona yovuka umoya. Khona yothi, hey, it's too late, Bangladesh. I'm hearing stuff you've never heard before. Ah, usumuntu athethezeni la. So, number one, man, why every time when I speak I like saying number one? I'm too coconut. Yes. Anyway, number one. But I can't speak if I don't say that. You know. Man, I gotta give props to River, bro. Like their singing is just it's just insane. And it's one of the well rounded and well completed churches. It's called the Langaband. You know, and what I love is that it does not matter who is singing, who is doing anything like Paya, but whoever is doing it, they do it to the best of their abilities. That's one thing you don't really get to see. Understand? But Job and amanye amabandla says, angwazi, says, abona njenge multivision. It's one of those videos that are popping on my channel. Like, I tell by the numbers, the way that video is doing numbers wise, ukuthi motivation is actually big. And me being me, engazazi amabandla lawo, I'm still shocked, and I'm like, yo, I understand. So it's insane, because with the river, it does not matter who is singing at that particular time. It's gonna sound fully committed to. I understand. I am sure I have still have more river videos and Sazwabon, Living Well, Trust, Manzi, okay, Living Well, Namanzi, in one, Multivision, House of God, in Amachuba is close to something, Coven, it's still gang, Nyantol, and each church has its own narrative. Each church has its own way of singing. Each church has its own rhythm. Yes, most of the songs that's what Ula Zion are basic songs that almost every Zion church sings. But it's always about how you revisionalize the song. You understand? Like, long as Amen, my blessing, it's different from a lot of churches. Like, it's different. Mongezwa i-alto river compared to amanye church, it's different because they understood. And so the practice that they put in, uyayibona, like you see it. And so like you see it. Eternal, it's always there. River doesn't miss when it comes to Eternal. Ipesela Bandaba is complete. Like, it's enough. And I'm talking about Bale, Nile uzobezwa. Uzobezwa. Ibheka isoprano yabo ne-leader. You're lying. You got to be lying. Like, it's complete. Like, angas. Like, I listen. If you like the content, just like below, man. Press that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It's free. And also share to others. The more you like this video, the more this video goes around. Yes, I'm views. That also helps it. But when you like it, you're actually giving it more boost to get around more. And all, make sure that you just hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and also, guys, give me a recommendation. In most cases, people text me, and it's like it be friends around. But I'm for two as the church later. My sister also says that I gonna send so my girlfriend like naleli. Yeah, so I do that. And I went to take a house of God. I met someone on Sonta God. And they were like, no, just tune in. And then I did that. And I'm still gonna react to more music. So, yo, in the favorite word of Street Jupiter, I'm Nanya Vala Bafetu. Adios.